Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Samsung Galaxy F14. So there we have a Google Lens service on this phone, so there is two ways for that. I'm going to show you the first method now. So we have to open the, sorry about that, Google Photos app. If you don't have this app, install it from the Google Play Store. Okay, now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. And then just tap on the Google Lens and whole process starting automatically. And you can search the similar or the same photos in this way. That was the first method. Now the second one, we have to open the web browser. Now go to the google.com. And it's very necessary step, switch your web browser to the desktop site. Okay, now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Then choose the photo like before, click done, and now we are looking for similar or the same photo in the Google image database. As you can see, these are exactly the same photo, like this one. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.